Hello friends, my name is Romi Kumar from St. Francis TCS College. Today we are gonna study about the topic Pandas in Python. The first topic is what is Pandas? Pandas is the fastest and most powerful Python library for data manipulation and data analysis. The person who are like anyone who are trying for data analyst job or a data scientist job, Python is the basic and must have knowledge tool. It's more like a Excel on steroids. It handles millions of rows and columns with incredible speed, instant insights, process vast data sets in seconds, making complex tasks simpler. It helps in getting more insights easily and creating new tables with that insights. Industry standard, trusted by tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Flipkart. Most of the big companies like Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Uber, Maps, all of them uses Pandas for their work. It's the perfect tool for upcoming GDP analysis project. Whoever who is trying for their GDP project in their degrees, in their post degrees, they have to learn Pandas for it. Core data structures. Pandas primarily relies on two fundamental data structures to manage and organize your data effectively. It means it have two different sides. One of them are series and another is data frame. One dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type. Imagine a single column from a spreadsheets that have series of data. It is more called as series. Data frame are two-dimensional labeled data structures with columns of potentially different types. It is most commonly used in pandas object use case, sorting tabular data similar to an Excel spreadsheet for an SQL table, ideal for comprehensive data sets like sales records. For example, data frame is used to sort the data, clean the data, and manage the data in from different insights. It can be helpful in many other tables, like if you have null data sets, you can fill it with Filna and many others. As I was saying about the project, GDP project, you can show on the screen, see on the screen the GDP growth. Countries like India, USA, China. India is one of the fastest growing GDP now. In the past years, you can see the excel growth of India in the GDP. India have 3.8 trillion. Growth is 6.5%, one of the highest growth in the entire world. USA with 28 trillion, 2.1%. China with 19 trillion with 4.8%. How can we see this? We can use pandas for and data frame to create this one. India projected to the fifth globally by GDP in 2025, showcasing its rapid economic expansion. The project provides a hand-on opportunity to analyze crucial economic indicators. This project reflects on a perfect addition to your MCA portfolio. You can use it for your undergraduate project, or you can use it in your portfolio, your CV. You can use it everywhere. One of the most essential work of pandas is data cleaning. Handle missing values using dropna to remove the rows which is missing data. For example, if the sales company, if it have a null value in their tables, by using dropna we can remove all of those null values. And if you think that the data is important for your for your project, you can use Filna to fill that by using backfill for the backward fill and ffill for front fill. It also removes duplicates, identify and eliminate redundant entries using drop underscore duplicates, maintaining data integrity. By using pandas, you can also remove the duplicates Fix data types, convert data to its correct format like as type int to enable accurate calculation in analysis. For example, we uses for a complete data analysis project, we use Pandas, NumPy, and by using NumPy we count aggregate values. For that we have to have correct data. By using Pandas, we can enable an accurate analysis by using the correct format, like using int, replace values. It also helps to replace the old values to new values. Broader impact. Where Pandas powers industries. Panda is not just a tool, it is an industry standard across diverse sectors like in e-commerce, finance, healthcare, and government. Everyone uses Panda for their data correction. For example, in e-commerce, use cases, comprehensive sales analysis, inventory management, and customer segmentation. For example, Flipkart uses Pandas for real-time order analytics. By using Flipkart uses Pandas for the real-time order analytics, like from where how many orders are coming, how much sale is going on up in finance, stock market analysis, logarithmic trading, and risk assessment. For example, NSE, BSC analytics depends on Pandas for market trends. Like if we can take the examples of clothing industries, it depends on the trend, how the trend is going on. Like for baggy jeans, the sales of the baggy jeans in that particular year will be high. And how can we check it? By using Pandas for using data analysis. Healthcare use case, managing patient records, analyzing critical trials data, and tracking public health metrics. Example, analyzing COVID-19 data to inform public policies. It, for example, when in 2018, when the corona was at its peak, 2018, 2019, daily we would see on TV that today this much corona cases is coming. It was not always accurate. It was created by using data analysis. By taking the data of past 2 3 days, the data will be shown to us as that. In government sectors, economic forecasting, demographic studies, and policy education. For economic forecasting means in past 10 years how much our GDP has raised, how much it has been declined. We can predict the future with the help of Pandas. Local impact. Pandas power in India. From e-commerce to space explorations, Pandas is a cornerstone of data science in India. If, for example, Flipkart utilizes Pandas for advanced order analytics and supply chain optimization. Zomato analyzes delivery patterns, customer preferences, and logistic Pandas. ISRO process vast amount of satellites imaginary and scientific data for research. NSE perform real-time stock market annual financial modeling. It, for example, let's take Zomato analysis delivery patterns, customer preferences, and logistic with Pandas. Like if a person orders a pizza 10 times a month, the ads of the pizza will be shown to that customer. It was analysis that the person likes pizza more than any other product. That means he will most likely order the pizza for the 11th time of the month. By using that analysis, the ad companies uses that data for showing the ads which are most useful for the company. Future outlook of data analytics career. Week 1. Pandas basics. Master the fundamentals of data manipulation. Week 2. GDP project. Apply your skill to real world data sets. Week 3. Kaggle challenges. tackle the titanic data sets for advanced practices. Week 4 internship, secure a data analyst internship. Fourth, beyond the MCA job, gain MCA admission and land it to 12 LPA jobs. As I am a student of MCA, my goal is to become a data analytics. For that, in week 1, I have to learn the basic pandas, which I know easily. I have to implement my skill in the real world data sets. Where will I get that data sets? I can use it the data sets from Kaggle, and I have to make sure that my mindset is correctly focused and I can think and predict the future by using the past data values. And with the week 4, I have to secure data analytics internship and many more. Last but not least, thank you for watching the video.